just ask you the obvious question about how you feel about performing in London. It's obviously a big relation to your Jamaican roots, you all feel like. Got a lot of home support, do you think?
I would say this is pretty much the home court advantage for me. I'm really looking forward to competing here. I've been competing in London in a while, so I'm really looking forward to this. And I know all the Jamaicans living here, and I'm really looking forward to it also. So I'm just coming out here to put on a great show as always. And I've explained that at the end of the day, I just want to wow people after this Olympics, so I'm looking forward to it.
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London, E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.